My name is Bill Grohl. I've been at All-Clad now for 41 years. Lately, I've been so honored to be a member of the research and development team that has come up with this fabulous new product called G5 Graphite. Now, what's so special about G5 Graphite? Well, the thing is the graphite. Now, a lot of people have heard of graphite. You may know something about it. Graphite is one element. It's carbon. That's all it is. But it appears in many different forms. Typically, things that heat up fast heat up unevenly, and things that heat up evenly do not heat up fast. But because of this innovation and our ability to incorporate it into our latest edition of cookware, we can incorporate speed and evenness into the same pan at the same time. So we find this really, really exciting, and we're really proud of what our innovation team has developed.